Hi guys, it's Rafael from European Cigar Squad. Today I want to give you a review on AVO. It's a Syncro Nicaragua Fogata short torpedo, 4.5 by 52. Good looking cigar with firmly packed, and it's earth and peanut. The smell, yeah, earth and peanut. Let's cut it and see what we have, what kind of taste we have. I'm not gonna cut too much, I just wanna. It's like a cedar. Yeah, like cedar. And I have this cigar in my humidor for last 8 months since IPCPR. Never had chance to smoke this one. Kind of best for later. Medium body cigar with dry tobacco taste, and it's a cedar, like in a pre-lit draw. It was a cedar, and now it's like a citrus. Yeah, cedar and citrus, sweet citrus, more like a grapefruit. Has pepper. It's like a it's not black pepper, but it's like a white. It's mixed with white and red one. Very surprisingly. So let me smoke 1/3 of the cigar, and I'm gonna get back to you, let you know if it's any changes. 12 minutes in, and we inch down. So small change in the taste. It's still citrus notes. Now no more dry tobacco. Actually, now it's creamy, and it's a long finish, still on the medium body. It has like a taste of leather, earthy, and peanut. Yeah, you taste that all the time. Yep, you feel all this. So let me remove the band, and I'm gonna smoke a little bit more, and I'm gonna get back to you, let you know if it's any changes. (20 minutes), 28 minutes in, and it's I lost ash first time when I was trying to take out the band, and it's a amazing performance, good construction, very good burning line, draw very excellent. So what I can tell about the cigar, I'm very excited. I mean, I'm very surprised about this cigar. It's a 4.5 by 52. That kind of small cigar has so many different flavors. It's a lot of different flavors. It's shift from one to the other. So now what I start to taste, it's like a cinnamon, spice cinnamon with oily finish, and it's through the nose. It was white pepper and citrus. So yeah, it has a lot of different taste. uh, it has a leather a little bit, cedar, it has ortonist, everything all in one small cigars. So I'm gonna smoke a little bit more and I'm gonna get back to last third of the cigar and I'm gonna let you know if any changes. 42 minutes in, and looks like we're gonna finish on this good notes. It's a very good cigar, consistent cigar, smooth cigar, and it has a last third quarter of the cigar has a sweet cream with earth and coffee. It's amazing. Like I said, it's small cigar but has a lot of different taste, different flavors of the cigar. It's been Nicaragua, uh, AVO Syncro Nicaragua short Torpedo, 4.5 by 52. I really recommend this stick for anybody. It's a medium body cigar and it's a very good cigar. Very good tasty cigar. Please subscribe to my channel to watch more reviews, and I'm gonna get back to you with my next review. Thank you guys.